right, friends, this is the last reveal of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar I'll be doing. Days 21 through 24, I've been doing 4-day increments, and I think it's a fun way to do these projects. So if this is still available, I'll link in the description box. Those will be affiliate links, which means I make a small commission for your purchase items through those links. I thank you for using those. Initially, this was sent free of charge for my review, and of course, all opinions are my own, but I've been working with this. Generally, I always say that in the very first time I show something, and then after that, I'm just working with it. But I always want to be transparent. So there you go. So everything that we've received so far are on these boards. I need to switch this out to a larger board like this one. These are the Crafty magnetic sheets, and in my mind, I'm just going to put them on there and keep them all in one little tub, the Crafty tubs like these guys. Probably a large one, and then just put the label on there, and then that's it. That's my advent calendar for, the rest of time to use there. So let's put these things to the side. Okay, so let's open this guy up, and we need day 21, and where is she? Day 21, step forward. Oh my goodness, why am I not seeing it? 22, 12, 11, 7. You guys, here it is. You guys didn't see it either because it was out of frame. Okay, there you go. So day 21. Oh my goodness, that took me a minute to find. Oh, well, I peeled the whole thing, but we're here at the end. So, oh, this is cute. Is that a die? Oh, that is adorable, little popsicle. Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Let's see the details on this, because I'm very curious of that, because the drawing looks like a drawing, but it looks like it had quite a bit of detail for this. So we have the background piece. You have your inlay, or, well, I don't know if this is an inlay, or if it's just giving you accents, because it looks like it has like the little texture, right, for the twin pop kind of thing. So we will see about that if we choose to use this guy today. It looks like it has, okay, so where the bite is, you have this. Oh my goodness. So it's almost like a crunch bar, like that kind of look. You have the stick here and some other accents. Not sure what these are, but we will, it looks like just another layer for these guys. I'll put that to the side for now. Get that going. Okay, so there's that, and then we need day 22, which I saw before, and of course I already forgot where it is. It's right here. So let's open up day 22, and doesn't show anything, so it is a pack of pink sequins. These are so cute. The colors they came up with this year are really adorable. I love the turquoise-ish kind of Tiffany blue, more like from yesterday's reveal, or not yesterday's, but a couple days ago reveal. And then the yellow, and this beautiful little pink is really, really sweet. All right, so we have the sequins. Day 22, day 23. Oh my goodness. Are they all over here? I see 24. If I forget where 24 is, then you guys, I have a problem. 23, right up here, this top area. So day 23. I still have my sequins out from before. Oh, look at that. It's a little kitty with his little heart. He's like a heart balloon hanging down from there. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. Yeah, again, super everyday. Some is a little Valentine-y feeling to me, but super cute. I love it, because you just have your little guy. You have a quick way to put that together, and what a cute set of dies. I mean, adorable. And the little ties that goes around his little waist, and then the one that goes up with the balloon. Very cute. And last but not least, oh, hold on. My goodness, I misplaced something. Okay, let's look at the picture, because this might have come from a different day. I don't think this is for this one, but maybe that's for his nose, unless, again, this came from somewhere else. Oh, which is interesting, because if this came from a different day, I don't think so, though. Everything else was pretty much there. Okay, well, I'll keep that there. It might just be for his little nose. That little black or whatever you want to put in there. Maybe. I don't know. Okay. I'm trying to look at... Hold on. I have to see this. Yeah, no, I don't know. All right, so there's that. And then day 24. So let's check out day 24, and I'll probably have to watch my video over and see if that little die fell out of my hand, So day 24, guys. Last day. Oh. Oh, it looks like a little... That is so cute. A suitcase, like for travel. And is it a die set? It is a die set. There's a lot going on this one. I know on the last day I think we had one die set and then some other items, but this one's very die heavy in these last few days here. So we have, how cute is that? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to follow up because I want to do the little kitty cats, but I also want to show you guys how to do this guy. So, I mean, look at all the details. You have your little luggage tag, your little suitcase, the handle, the buckles, the little cute, like, I don't know, traveling kind of icons that you can put on there, the braces. That is so cute. There is a lot going on this one. Okay, let me put these things to the side and we'll look at what we have. Okay, guys, I mean, look how cute all these different things in this guy over here. How cute would it be to have your bonjour and your little Frenchie with the suitcase? I mean, so many ways to pull these things together for the last few days and everything. I mean, just adorable. Oh my goodness. So you're gonna have to use this pink tutu stuff. We're gonna use a little kitty. Reds, I think it's gonna be a black cat. I think he just looks so cute in black. So I'm gonna do that and grab some paper because we are going to continue making 4-bar cards like we have been making. And again, in the very first video, I showed you guys how to make the envelope that you can put a 4-bar card in, and it just takes your postage, just regular postage, right? It's a little guy. And I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so 4-bar cards need a piece of cardstock that is 5 by 7. So I'm just going to do 5 here, 7 in the other direction, and then we're going to score it at 3.5. So 5 by 7, so there's 5. This is 8.5, so what I'm going to do is just take 1.5 inches off this side so I don't have to swing out the arm. And then 3.5 inches on the 7-inch side. Give it a score. And I didn't grab my paper for this yet, but I want some pretty, like, I don't know, something cute. So I'll be right back. Oh, you know what, guys? I wanted pink paper, but he is a little kitty and it is floating. So, not that he's a kitty, but he's floating. So let's go ahead and cut our paper. Do I have enough for 5? Yes, okay. So 3 3/8, because I like 1/8 matte layers. If you don't like that, I haven't really talked about it in this video or in these videos, but you can definitely do, 3 1/4 by 4 3/4, I guess. So I'm going to run this through here and then by 4 7/8, because that's what I like. So 3 3/8, 4 7/8. Let's get some texture on this. So I'm just going to run this through an embossing folder. I'll just grab one from my stash and I'll be right back. So I just ran it through the standard embossing folder. Actually, this is the November embossing folder of the month. And then we've been notching these. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for this one too. So the large notch here, just boop, all around the 4 corners, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I just pulled out the rest of my craft stacks, so I'm definitely going to move those over to this larger one, and that should accommodate all of them. So we're going to do that. And then I have the little guys too. Probably 4 little guys would work too. Okay, so I have that guy, and I'm just going to stick it down, and, we can definitely... This is a white core paper. Actually, I like this other side better. Okay, I'm going to use the deboss side. See how quick and easy? We just change our mind and keep working. But since I have this is very bumpy, so we're going to make sure to put a good amount of glue on that. Okay, so I'm going to hold that down, and I will be right back. Centered. Yes, there we go. A little more this way. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so I just grabbed some scraps of paper. I have this pretty shimmery kind of coral color, so I'm going to do that with the heart. Bright red will also be very cute. And then just run the cat through the black. Now, since I'm doing a black cat, his nose is also going to be like black, so I'm going to debate that. Maybe we'll do a little pink nose. Is that weird? I don't know. I don't have enough time, spending time looking at kitty cats. So let's do that. And then white string for this. And I mean, you can run these through all together at once. This is not the biggest, amount of dyes there to make this cute kitty. Perfectly well. And then I'm going to run that through like a bright pink, or like a light pink. Sorry, I'll be right back. I did go with a brighter pink for the nose just because I do want it to show up, and it's such a small area. And I'm assuming that's what this is for. I have no idea. It honestly looks very perfect, like it should be more visible, but I don't know. Okay, so let me put this away and we'll put it together. Okay, this is so cute. It's going to tie around the little waist here. And that guy. And I guess I probably should have this prepared since I paused anyway, but I did not. Okay, this guy, I'm trying to see on the picture if that little piece should go behind or in front of Okay, yeah. So the tie actually goes in front, that little area. I didn't know if it was just like support, you know, so maybe it still goes in the back. But this guy, in the picture, you can see that it's in front like that, which is adorable. Okay. And let's get our kitty. Look at his little face. How cute is that? I mean, really well done. I mean, if you just want all black like that, you can leave the nose there. You don't have to pop it out, but I'm going to go ahead and pop it out. And put in this little pink. But again, I'm debating if that's even what it's for. Why not? There you go. Okay, and then we have the little tie that's going to be around his waist. And basically something like that. Cute. So I'm going to put a little glue behind these bits. Line that up where I think it should go. That is adorable. And then I think the other little bit just comes out wherever you want to put it because it's going to go behind his little head. Yeah. Okay. So, as you can see, we didn't have sentiments in today's sets. So, let me think what I want to do about that. We do have, like, some dies that we can cut out, right, from before. We have stamp sets. We have, like, these words over here, you know, saying hello is what I have, because remember, I had a little oopsie in my set. Make, or made, you, day, my. So, okay, guys, while I was laying that set up, I went ahead and transferred everything over to these larger craft stacks. So as you can see, I can have my whole calendar there, and then obviously we have these other bits. And then if you stack them on top of each other like this, they're not magnetic on the back, so it's not going to pick those guys up and have them in here. And then you put them into your plastic casing, right? So they're super secure and really nice. Okay, let's see here. He's so cute. And should I just pull him straight up like this? What I'm going to do is probably put some dimensionals on the heart. So let's get that going. And then it'll stick down at the bottom. And so will the kitty cat. But you can also put dimensionals on the cat, of course. Something like this. And I was looking at the sentiments. I mean, you can put a sentiment out. You don't have to. You can stamp on the inside, you know. It can just be a cute little image here. And so there's that. I'm going to hold that down. Oh, I'm going to hold it down when we get our kitty on here. And super sweet. I want to have him like this. I think that's cute. Okay. So I'm going to hold all this down and I'll be right back. Okay, that is adorable. Oh, and I was already forgetting these guys. I did my wrap up on my phone and then I realized, oh, hold on. We still have some cuties to put on here. And yeah, so again, stamping, you know, inside, wherever. I'm trying to think where I want to put these little bits. I always end up putting them like in the top and then like down here. And that is just how I do it, guys. So let me pop these on. And again, they have two different sizes, so I usually start with one large one, and then a couple smaller ones. Sorry, I panned back up because I thought it was done, and now I see that could have brought it a little bit closer, the camera. And then like one here, actually that's not the best spot. Well, you know why? It's because this one isn't where I want it. I want you to be like over here, buddy. And then this guy can still be kind of there. Okay, I'll put the last 3 dots down here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to mess with these. They're not quite where I wanted them. There we go. Putting these away, and that came out so adorable. Oh my gosh. How cute is he? So that is it, guys. Just really cute die sets. You know, very usable and fun items that you can, you know, use up your sequins and things like that. Look at these. And every 4 days we made some fun cards. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this series. Again, the very first day is where I showed you how to make the envelope that will accommodate these 4-bar cards. This little guy. And please check that out. And, you know, if you want to check out the rest of the videos, all the series, they're there. And thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much. I just had a lot of fun with this. So I will see you all at the next one. Bye now.